Making a grand entrance. Mastering the art of first impressions. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, focusing on what it means to make a big entrance. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to polish your idiomatic skills, understanding these phrases can significantly enhance your communication. So, let's get started and explore the depths of making an unforgettable first impression. Make a big entrance is a phrase that paints a vivid picture. It refers to arriving at a place in a way that attracts a lot of attention. Imagine entering a room and everyone stops to look at you. That's making a big entrance. It's not just about being physically noticed. It's about making an impact the moment you step into a scenario, often leaving a lasting impression on those around you. While the exact origins of "make a big entrance" might be as diverse as the English language itself, it's clear that the phrase borrows from the world of theater and performance. In a play or a movie, characters often make grand entrances, accompanied by dramatic music or a spotlight, to signal their importance to the story. In everyday language, we use this phrase to describe any situation where someone wants to stand out right from the moment they appear. To better understand how to use "make a big entrance," let's look at some examples. At a party, arriving in a flamboyant outfit or in an unusual manner, like a surprise entrance. In professional settings, delivering a powerful opening remark in a presentation or meeting. Social gatherings, being introduced with high praise or anticipation, raising everyone's expectations. In each of these situations, the person making the entrance captures attention and sets the tone for what's to come. Making a big entrance can be a strategic tool in both personal and professional contexts. It can help you stand out in social settings, make a strong first impression in professional environments, and even boost your self-confidence. However, it's also important to consider the context and audience to ensure your big entrance is received positively. We hope this exploration of "make a big entrance" has enlightened you and added a new phrase to your English repertoire. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about expression and making connections. Whether you're stepping into a room or into a new chapter in life, knowing how to make a big entrance can truly make all the difference. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!